On the state of the nation, a political and public policy analyst, Barrister Patrice Akwara, has stated that the situation with health workers, especially doctors, are pervasive, while calling on the government to investigate the health services and take steps to improve the system. Barrister Akwara made this call during ACNNTV morning show, now streaming.
Whatever is happening in your environment, you cannot isolate it from the quality of leadership you have. So what the doctors are going through is pervasive. It's across, it cuts across. So apart from looking into the contract of employment, I also think that public welfare-driven medical insurance scheme, yes, and then let the insurance companies come in actively, so that I think they need to really have an overhaul of the health sector to look at it vis-a-vis, because even the patients are not even getting the required services. We don't even have, I'm sorry to say, but most of experienced doctors have left this country. I read a statistic that said more than 65% of the deaths recorded come from the first aid given to patients when they come into the hospital immediately. You understand? Which means most of the things done to them or given to them are not given to them appropriately. So as you're looking into what the doctors are complaining about, also look into what the patients are complaining about. We don't have responsible government. If not, this problem have lingered for a long time. And each successive government that comes, somebody said you cannot continue to do the same thing over and over and expect a different result. The same approach that Shagari used, that's the same approach these people are using. And how do you get a different result? So I think there should be an overhaul, a holistic overhaul of the health sector, vis-a-vis the doctors, their own expectation, the expectation of the patient, and also the expectation of the government. It's obvious that the problem they complained 3 years ago, 2 years ago, they are still complaining it now. Why would they even call off in the first instance? If you complain about it 3 years ago, 2 years ago, you complain about it 1 year ago, and each time, every two days or 3 days, they call us. Right? So it means that something unworthy, unholy is really happening. Because they should have taken time, make a holistic complaint, and endure it out, so that something can be done and done thoroughly.